Hi! In front of me is CAT S40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on this clock icon at the top left corner and tap on the red icon. Now set up an hour and when you're done, choose OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Fridays only. And then I can click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, choose label your alarm however you wish to and click OK. Then choose default ringtone and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and clicking OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!